Hello students, now today we will start the sixth lesson from Maths 1, that is statistics. In 9th standard we have studied the mean of ungrouped frequency table. We have studied, okay. Now in 10th standard we will study the mean from group frequency table. Okay, group frequency table, groups are given there. Okay, so there are three methods: direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. There are three methods to find mean for group frequency table. So out of these three methods, today in this video we'll study the direct method. The formula to find mean by direct method is, mean is denoted by x bar, that we know already. So x bar is equal to sigma xi fi. This is the notation sigma, which is used for addition of xi fi upon capital N. What is capital N? Capital N is nothing but the total frequency, that is sigma fi, addition of all the frequency, that is denoted by capital N. So to understand the mean for group frequency table by direct method, we consider first example from practice set 6.1. Example is like this: the following table shows the number of students and the time they utilize daily for their studies. Find the mean time spent by students for their studies by direct method. Okay, यहाँ पे method mention है, by direct method find the mean. If method is not mentioned in the question or in the example, then you can use any one method, either direct method, assume mean method or step deviation method. अगर example में अगर mention नहीं रहेगी method का नाम, कोई mention नहीं रहेगा, find the mean direct ऐसा बोला है, तो कोई भी method से तुम क्या कर सकते हो, उसको solve कर सकते हैं. Okay, it is not compulsory कि that you use, but if mention is there by direct method you have to solve, then we can't use स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड और assume mean मेथड. अगर वहां पे लिखा रहेगा कि भाई डायरेक्ट मेथड से सॉल्व करो, तो तुमको वही मेथड से क्या करना है, उसको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? फर्स्ट ग्रुप्स आर गिवन, टाइम इज गिवन 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10, and number of students are given. Second column is always the column for FI, frequency रहेगी वो, ठीक है, 7, 18, 12, 10 and 3. After that find class mark, find class mark, and our class mark is nothing but our xi. ठीक है. Now how to find class mark? Class mark find करेंगे, कैसे find करेंगे? First class is given 0 to 2. Just add the both the numbers, 0 plus 2, that is 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. So 2 upon 2, that is 1. Again second class is 2 to 4. Add them, 2 plus 4, that is 6, and 6 upon 2, that is 3 you will get. Then 4 plus 6, that is 10. 10 upon 2, it is 5. 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 upon 2, that is 7. And 10 plus 8, that is 18. 18 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 9. Yes, any doubt in this? To find the class mark, one example in MCQ may be asked that find the class mark of the class 31 to 35. कोई भी क्लास गिवन रहेगी तुमको और उसका क्या फाइंड करो, क्लास मार्क. ऑप्शंस गिवन रहेंगे तुमको, ठीक है. सच एग्जांपल इज आल्सो आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. सो दिस इज द क्लास मार्क, and after that find xi into fi. That multiplication you have to find, because in formula there is sigma xi fi. So we find xi fi. So multiply it. This is the value for xi, this is the value for fi. So 7 into 1, 7 ones are 7. Then 18 threes are 54. 12 fives are, it is 60. 10 sevens are 70 and 9 threes are 27. ठीक है. एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे, यूनिट प्लेस के नीचे बराबर यूनिट प्लेस आना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव टू ऐड देम. ओके, सो 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 का 8 कैरी 1 है ना, 7 8 9 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 5, that is 21. So this is the value for sigma xi fi. This is the numerator. Now we have to find n. N is nothing but sigma fi, sigma fi, that we have to add. So here 8 plus 2 10, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 10 20, 20 का 0, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3 4 5, that is 50. This is the value for capital N. Okay, so here sigma xi fi is 218 and value for N it is 50, and therefore mean is equal to sigma xi fi upon capital N, that is equal to 218 upon 50, and that we can write as 218 divided by this 50, we can write it as 5 into 10. डायरेक्ट भी तुम लोग इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट बाय द टेबल ऑफ 50, लेकिन I write like this 5 into 10. Okay, we just simplify 218 by 5 first. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, कितना बचा 1 बचा, 5 3s are 15, 3 left, take point and add 1 0, 5 6s are 30, that is equal to 43.6 divided by 10. अब हमको क्या करना है, 43.6 को 10 से डिवाइड करना है. So just take this decimal point before 3, 3 के पहले लेंगे उसको, एक डेसिमल पॉइंट जो है वो एक डिजिट पीछे आएगा. So you will get 4.36. ठीक है, 4.36, and therefore we write here, therefore the mean time spent by students for their studies is 4.36 hours. बोलो क्या डाउट है इसके अंदर? So in this way we have to solve this first example. Any doubt in this? No? Okay. Come to one more example. Now the second example is a milk center sold milk to 50 customers. The table shows below gives the number of customers and the milk they purchased. Find the mean of the milk sold by direct method. So here milk sold in liter is given 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6, and number of customers. Second column is always the column for FI. Okay, 17, 13, 10, 7 and 3. Then we have to find the class mark. Okay, class mark is denoted by XI. How to find class mark? Consider first class 1 to 2, है ना? Add those numbers, lower limit and upper limit. That is 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 upon 2, that is 1.5. Okay, 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 upon 2, it is 2.5. Then 3 plus 4, 7. 7 upon 2, that is 3.5. 4 plus 5, 9. It is 4.5. 5 to 6, 11. That is 5.5. Okay, those are the class mark. And the last column will be XI into FI. Here it is XI into FI. Just take multiplication. So here 17 into 1.5. If you find this multiplication, then you will get 25.5. Okay. Then second will be 13 into 2.5. It will be 32.5. 32.5. 10 into, it will be 35.0. 4.5 into 7, it is 31.5, and 5.5 into 3, it will be 16.5. Just add them. So total addition you will get as 141.0, that is 141, and here it will be 50. This is the value for N, and this is our sigma xi and fi. Okay, so here we write the values. Sigma xi into fi, that value is equal to 141 and N is equal to 50, and therefore mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma xi fi upon capital N, that is equal to 141 divided by 50. Now 141 divided by 50 we can write again as 141 upon, directly also डायरेक्ट भी तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको 50 से डायरेक्ट सिंपलीफाई कर सकते, दैट इज योर चॉइस, बराबर है ना. लेकिन इसको इजीली कैसे कर सकते हैं हम लोग, 5 into 50 को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 5 into 10, 5 into 10. And now simplify. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 4 left, 5 8s are 40, 1 left, take decimal point, add 1 0, 5 2 za 10, so it will be 28.2 divided by 10. अब 10 से अगर डिवाइड करने का रहेगा 10 से रहो 100 से रहो, है ना, डिवाइड करने का रहेंगे तो डेसिमल पॉइंट क्या करेंगे, एक डिजिट पीछे लेंगे, 100 से डिवाइड करने का रहेगा तो 2 डिजिट पीछे लेंगे, so you will get as 2.82, and then we write here solution as answer as the mean of the milk, the mean of the milk sold is the mean of the milk sold is 2.82 liters. So in this way, by direct method we can find the mean of given data. ये हिसाब से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, mean find करेंगे. Same such examples are given in practice set 6.1. Okay, so from that exercise just try to solve example by डायरेक्ट मेथड से तुम लोग ने क्या करेंगे, वो एग्जांपल्स को सॉल्व करने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ठीक है, वहां पे मेंशन नहीं है बाय अज्यूम मीन मेथड, बाय स्टेप दोज एग्जांपल्स आल्सो यू कैन सॉल्व बाय डायरेक्ट मेथड. ठीक है, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल सी द सेकंड मेथड, दैट इज अज्यूम मीन मेथड. थैंक यू.